Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about that things with you, how can add that style sheet in your component. So now I want to work with our input field, like here, that is our main root directory. So into the root directory area, I loaded some of the component, right? So here I have loaded one of the component in our app.js, so that is our Aryan. So right now I want to actually make the things fresh. So I want to make that fresh. So like right now I just remove everything from here. Okay, I just simply remove everything from our main app.js. That means that is our main app.js. So it will be import our React from, and the React it will be needed, and that is our export default as an app, right? So now I want to add one of the class. That means one of the class component. So I just put that class as a app. Okay, I just name it as app. And also I want to extend. That means extends, and it will be extend our React. That means React component. Okay, React component. So I just simply added that React component. Here I have created one of the class component, and with the class component here we have to add that render, right? So after this I want to add one of the render. So you render. So into the render area I want to pass that render, and then we have to return it. That means the return, and here return. Into the return area I want to take one of the div. Okay, I just take one of the div, and I just add this div, and into the div area I want to add one of the class. That means the class name will be as a app, right? Before that was actually default one as a app, so I just simply added that app. So that is our class name. Into the class name area I want to add one of the h1 tag. Okay, I want to add one of the h1 tag, and I just close it. It will be display hello Kazi Aryan. Better I want to use that easy learning. Okay, I just simply use that easy learning. So now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, yeah, you can see everything is gone, and now our new component as a hello easy learning is visible. That means here it's now visible. So now here I want to load one of the form. Okay, because I want to now work with the form. So I just take one of the div. So I just take one of the div, and I just close that div, and into the div area. So here I want to take one of the form. Okay, so that means one of the form, and I just add that form, and into the form area I take another div. Close that div, and into the div here I want to add one of the class. So I just simply added one of the class. I name it one of the bootstrap class. Later I will also show you how can add that bootstrap. So it will be as a group, that means a form group. So I just simply added the form group. Okay, and then also I want to take one of the level. So level I just close that level will be as a username. Okay, so this type of username, that will be on the level. And also after that, okay, after that I want to take one of the input field. That means the input, and input we have to finish it. So I just simply finish that input, and into the input area I want to add the type. So type will be as a text type, right? So that will be as a text type. And also for this input field I want to put some of the name. So name will be as a whatever you want. So right now I want to put that name will be as a username. Okay, that means this field name will be as a username. And also we need one of the submit button. So better I added one of the button. I want to add one of the button, and also I want to close it. And this button type will be as a submit type. Okay, it will be as a submit type, and name will be as a submit. So name will be as a submit. Perfect. Okay, so now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, yeah, you can see there is a hello, and then username actually our level, and there is our input text, and there is our submit. So better I want to put some of the bracket. Okay, so I just put some of the bracket, and that is our close bracket. So I just simply also added that things on here. Now click as a save all, and now refresh it. Yeah, perfect. So that is our hello name, that means our main name, that is our username, the level, input field, and the submit. So now I want to work in our this submit area, that means in particular that position area. So how can do that work in our next video? I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.